So you're able to hold basic conversations in Portuguese, but do you wish you had some better reactions that you could give when other people are speaking than, sim? By the end of this video, you will have 10 that you can use in all sorts of different situations, and they are super quick and easy to learn. If you're excited to learn this today, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up and make sure that the subscribe button and the bell for notifications are both clicked. If you're new to the channel, bem-vindo. My name is Liz. I'm an English expat living in Portugal and teaching Portuguese online. I don't usually teach outside like this, but I'm on a weekend away in the Alentejo, one of my favourite places in Portugal, and I didn't want that to stop me from giving you your weekly quick fire Portuguese lesson. So let's go! So in order to react like a local, you're going to need 2 words, and the first one is going to be the same for all of these 10 phrases I'm going to teach you, and that is que. Alright, now a word on pronunciation. Most of you will have learnt to say this word like this, que, because that's the way the Brazilians say it. As you know, I teach European Portuguese. Even though I love Brazil, I love Brazilian Portuguese, you can hear all about my experience in this video up here. But because I'm teaching European Portuguese, I want you to have this European Portuguese pronunciation, okay? So we're going to want to say it like this, que. Alright, so now that we've got that down, let's look at all the other words that you need. Let's start with the happy reactions, okay? If you want to exclaim that something is really cool, you can say, que giro, okay? Giro is one of those slang words that I've covered in my first video about slang, which you can check out here. And it's just a way to say that something is cool, lovely, nice, que giro. Nice and easy. The next one, I use this a lot when I'm exclaiming how lovely something is or how fantastic it is, how awesome it is. You can say, que maravilha. This one is a little bit trickier to pronounce because it has the LH together, which makes this lh sound, lh, okay? Maravilha, okay? But that just means how wonderful, how awesome. So that's why I use that a lot. I'm a very positive person. Next, you might want to use this one if you're tucking into some really delicious, yummy food. You can say, que delícia. But actually, this doesn't actually just apply to food. This can mean if you're just feeling generally blissful. So maybe like a cool pool on a hot day would be que delícia. Or having a week off work might be que delícia, you know, anything that would be, you know, really blissful and desirable. So on to the negative reactions now. The first one I'm going to give you should be your go-to for when anything is annoying or a pain in the butt. You will say, que chato. Okay, chato literally means boring, but it's not. You're not just saying, "Oh, how boring," as in like I'm bored of doing this. You can. It also means like a nuisance, something that's annoying. Okay, so que chato. Another one that I love, I use this a lot. When something is disgusting, you can say que nojo. Okay, nojento is the word disgusting, and if I want to exclaim, "Ugh, that's gross," I can say que nojo. Okay, so remember that J sound is a J in Portuguese. Are you going to try these out? Let me know in the comments which ones you are going to use and how it goes when you use them in conversations. I absolutely love hearing when you guys actually put what I teach into practice. It makes my day. So next one, if you feel sorry for somebody or you want to say what a shame, you can say que pena. Que pena. What a shame. I'm so sorry to hear that happened to you. Another one that can help show sympathy for somebody, if something terrible's happened, you can say que horror. Que horror. Yeah, I know, this is a really difficult one to pronounce because we've got that double L in the middle, which means I have to go like this. Ge. Okay, this is one of the sounds that I cover in my free pronunciation guide. I'm going to put the link in the description. It just talks you through 7 of the most difficult sounds to get right in Portuguese. So take a look at that if you're struggling with your pronunciation for European Portuguese. It will help a lot. Another one linking to sad incidents, you can say que tristeza or que triste if something is really sad, okay? Que triste. So remember that S, because it comes before a T, we need to make a sh, okay? Triste. And keep that E at the end closed. These are the tricks that are going to help you sound more Portuguese from Portugal, okay? Rather than Brazilian Portuguese. The next one you can use when you want to say that you are jealous of somebody, okay? If you want to exclaim, oh man, I'm so jealous, you'll say, que inveja. Que inveja, okay? This is like if we were saying in English, well, Joe. Last but not least, number 10 is, que susto. That's when somebody has just scared you and you wanted to say, oh my gosh, you made me jump, or oh man, how scary. I literally said this one yesterday when somebody dropped a bottle of wine behind me and the sound scared me out of my skin. So there you have it, 10 reactions that are going to help you sound like a local when you're reacting to conversations in Portuguese. That's all from me today. Don't forget my free download of my pronunciation guide is awaiting for you in the description, as well as links to lots of my other quickfire Portuguese lessons that are going to help you level up your Portuguese in a matter of minutes. Little bonus, if you want a cheeky tour of the amazing B&B I'm staying at this weekend, head over to my Instagram and you'll be able to see all the pictures and how to get here. I'll be back next week with more tips and tutorials to help you get confident and conversational in Portuguese, so make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss an episode. Ciao for now!